Hey everyone, is your iPhone or iPad showing the wrong time and date? Then keep watching. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. If your iPhone or iPad has decided that it's going to start showing the wrong date or time, it can cause all sorts of issues. Apart from making you miss important appointments and misinforming you when you want to glance at the time. Having the wrong time can cause issues with App Store downloads and other functions that are critical to the operating system of the iOS device. So the first step is to make sure your iPhone or iPad has the latest iOS update. You can do that by going into Settings, then General, then Software Update. Update your iPhone and then check your time. If the first step doesn't work, then go on to step 2. In step 2, go onto your computer where you sync your iPhone to iTunes with it and make sure the time and date is correct on it. Make sure on your MacBook or on a Windows machine, the set time and date automatically option is selected so that it syncs with your iPhone. If step 2 doesn't work, then try step 3. In step 3, on your iPhone or iPad, go to Settings, then go to General. Now tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Automatically is switched on. This will work out the time as per your time zone, so make sure your location is correct. If none of the steps worked in allowing your device to acquire your location and set the time automatically, then you may need to contact your mobile service provider or carrier. Not all carriers in all countries will support the location services to set your time automatically, and as a result you will have a wrong time. Hopefully after following these steps which I've showed you, you will be able to get your iOS device to show the proper time and date. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.